in few minutes you are going to learn how you can view the skeletal arrangement or framework of your design layout. Let's assume you have something that you have placed at the background and you forgot it and you don't know because it's taking the same color with your background. How are you going to know where these things are? Because if you want to export them, it will affect your exporting. Okay, so now let's go straight to the tutorial. Let's assume this is the shape or element we have here. Let me place another one by my right. Have you seen? Let me remove the outline color, which is black. Let me remove it. Good, I have removed it. As you can see, there are two different elements I have here. Let me add white so that you see. Have you seen? Look at your right. Have you seen this one? Now look at your left. Have you seen this one? Now I'm going to remove the outline and we are going to try to export. You will discover that it will hinder my export. So let me remove the color I've added. Good. Let me remove this other side. Fine. Let me try to export. Ctrl+E. So let me click on export. Follow me so that you see what I'm talking about. Have you seen? It's showing this white space instead of it to show only this my design because something is there, something extra is there. So this is not how I want my design to be. How will I do it? I'll have to go and check the framework, the skeletal framework of my design. So I'll close this box, my export box. Now, how will I view the skeletal system of my design? How will I know? Go to where you have view menu. Look at your view menu here. Click on view, click on wireframe. Have you seen wireframe? Wireframe will reveal every element you placed in this interface or on your design layout. So I am going to now click. Look at this one. Look at the things that are hidden here. Have you seen? It has shown outline. Have you seen? Good. I can now delete them. Look at, I've deleted it. Have you seen? Now for me to return to my normal view, my design view, I'll still go back to view menu, click on normal or enhance. Normal, my design is back. So let me export again so that you see that only this design will come out. Export, Ctrl+E. Now see how it's going to load. Have you seen? It is only this design that is showing, no more white border around it, right and left, because I've been able to delete that element or those elements that were hidden. Have you seen? So this is the design I made for the month of September. Okay, so I've shown you how you can unhide elements that are hidden, okay, in case you encounter such problem. So do well to come back for more valuable tutorials like this. Thank you.